Hold your breath.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about metabolism and how metabolic flexibility helps you to be your healthiest. Technology has come so far. I found out that there was a device that measures my carbon dioxide in my breath in all kinds of situations, whether it's after I eat, whether it's before I work out, all during the day, so I know if I'm burning fats or carbs. I found this fascinating. I reached out to Lumen to try it out, and they said yes, and now we're partnering on this video. Let me explain what's going on with me and my body and how this device, so scientific, is helping me to be a much healthier person. If you've watched me these past couple of years, you know I'm on a real quest to be healthy, fit, and look as young as I can. And I've been researching, and I found out that metabolic flexibility can be had, and that's the main player between my health, my weight loss, my energy, and my longevity. By having a great metabolic flexibility, I'm able to switch my body between fat and carbs and what I burn, because I'm flexible. By monitoring how that goes down with the Lumen device, I can know where I'm at with my metabolic flexibility, so I can adjust my diet in a way that's not going to make me crash and burn. Like, you know, if you eat a whole lot of carbs or sugars, you might crash and burn. By knowing my metabolic flexibility and where I'm at with my readings of my carbon dioxide from my breath, I can choose better choices, and I know I'm on the path of a better metabolic system that's going to help me lose my weight, maintain my weight, and have all that energy I want for a healthy life. Let me show you how Lumen works. Lumen arrived to my house in this really beautiful box. I opened the box, and this is how it was packed. These are the things that came with it. There is a manual, some written paperwork. I took everything out of the box and laid it on my counter so you can see. There's a charging station that has a C-type connector and a USB. It's rechargeable, so all you need to do is plug it in to recharge it. It'll hold a charge for about 30 days. The size is great. It fits right into your hand easily. It's very lightweight and portable and comes with a carrying case. You can take it with you when you go places. By pressing the power button on, you'll see it's on with the blue light circle. That blue light indicates it can sync with your phone, and it works with the app on your phone. With your Lumen, it comes with a QR code that's your specific QR code, and you'll need that to connect it to your phone. And then I downloaded the app. Really easy, like any other app. After I downloaded the app, I put in my personal information because I want my Lumen to be exactly specific to my body. It needs to know some information about me, so it gets all the statistics right and can read my carbon dioxide perfectly for who I am and what my metabolism is. With Lumen, I could customize my goals for a nutrition goal, a weight loss goal, or an exercise goal, or everything, which is what I'm doing. I went the whole enchilada, so I did everything. And so when you just start, there's these videos you watch that make it so easy to figure out how to use the app and give you information about what it's really doing for you. And right away, I was able to breathe into it to take my first reading. So the first thing is you take a deep breath in, and you have to do it in a certain manner. You can't just go, you have to do it slowly, and you see the little green ball on the screen that lets you know you're doing it right. And then after you get that reading, you hold your breath for 10 seconds because the air needs to circulate within your lungs to pick out what carbon dioxide reading is valid for that moment in time. So then you exhale, and you do it slowly, and you keep the green dot again in that circle, and you let all that air out, so then you get your reading. It's a really fast and easy learning curve. Lumen uses a carbon dioxide sensor and a flow meter to determine the carbon dioxide concentration in every one single breath with that device. And that indicates the type of fuel your body's using to produce that energy, whether your body's burning fat or burning carbohydrates, because you're learning about your metabolic flexibility, and that's your ability of your body to switch back and forth between the fat and carbohydrates your body takes in. Lumen is a device to hack your metabolism. So before a workout, I will check my breath with Lumen. Lumen is so portable, I was able to put it in the back of my shirt and pull it out with my cell phone, which is really handy because therefore I can check it along the way on my bike ride. So I took it out, I turned it on, and I did my breath check. That day I was very happy with where I started for my workout. The bike ride was inspirational and I knew what was happening to my health was a good thing. So the ride went really well. I felt very inspired that day riding my bike. The sights were prettier, the trees were greener as I felt my heart racing and pumping with my workout. I tried not to use the electric assist too much on that bike, so I wanted the full effect of that workout for my health. Lumen can validate your workouts by taking a breath 30 minutes after working out, and you can see what impact your workout has on your body, so you know which workouts are more effective for you personally. So after my workout, I go into Lumen App and I put after exercise on the app, and then I do my breath.
Inhale deeply through your lumen. Hold your breath. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
And I love that I can see right away after I do the breath what my chart reading is. I'm going to press next. It walks you through a menu so you keep working with it so you can be in the best of health. I love this. I love to take long walks, and this really pretty eucalyptus forest is by my house. I take my Lumen with me because I want to see what it's going to be right before I take my walk. It's been a fascinating journey with Lumen with me. It's great to get that fresh air as I'm doing my workouts, maybe jumping over some trees and just enjoying life outside while I'm getting in shape. Working out at the beach is usually my most standard workout. So doing that at the beach is great where I can go before my workout, then again after my workout. That run that day was going to be very exerting. I really wanted to burn fat. And by knowing the reading on my Lumen, I knew that that was a day I had a really great chance of burning a whole lot of fat. So I worked at that hard. I've been working on my body for quite some time. I still have some pounds to lose, but I think I was doing better than I've been in a long time. And the flexibility with Lumen and the readings with Lumen really helped keep me motivated. Within the app on Lumen, you can also get daily personalized meal plans. It can customize your meal plan and guide you, which I really like. And within those meal plans, you can enter what you've eaten and then take your reading so it knows what you had for lunch and breakfast and dinner. I thought that was fascinating because that really gets down into your body level by knowing what you ate. When I just started on Lumen, I started taking a lot of measurements, including one of me in the morning. Now this video of me in my pajamas was at the very beginning of this process. I started with the morning routine. And I've learned so much with Lumen about how to find out if I'm burning fat, what's going on, my carbohydrates. So it lets me know from the program that it's really good to check your metabolism in the morning. So for me, it's perfect because I get up with my Lumen. I'm going to make my latte, which starts with espresso, and I grab my Lumen. I go to the app on the phone, and then I press it, and then now I'm going to blow. And now I press for my latte. The Morning Joe. Perfect. So I'll get up and I'll inhale and exhale into my Lumen and get my reading. That's a really important reading, especially when you're starting your Lumen plan. I'm so excited with my Lumen because I'm just building things like my breath signature. Lumen's getting accustomed to your unique breath and your carbon dioxide range, so that it'll know and give me information about how I can best lose my weight and maintain my weight. So today, it's telling me, good afternoon, Rebecca. And my breath signature is 63% complete. I'm making progress. So I'm gonna tap Breathe Now. So I'm turning it on and I'm tapping it. It wants me to sit and relax, so I'm gonna lean and relax. Let's go. And I had a high carb lunch, so I'm pushing that in.
Inhale deeply through your lumen. Hold your breath. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
I got a 3. I think that's good. I'm well on my way. So after 2 weeks, you get your first Lumen Flex score. So between 0 and 6, you have low flexibility. Between 7 and 14, medium. And 15 to 21 is high metabolic flexibility. And your Flex score takes into account all that other data that came in, and it's going to recalculate all the time so you can see how you're doing on your Flex score. I love that. And by following the suggestions of the nutrition plan and doing my exercises, my Flex score is increasing because I'm following the program, which I'm so impressed and so happy with. I hope you see the benefits of that perhaps for you. Click the link below to get your Lumen. It's really amazing. I had no idea that fitness and health and well-being could be tracked like that as a tool to help you become your healthiest self. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, especially when they're healthy recipes for your health and well-being. See you next time. If you like this video, here's some more, including some really great healthy recipes right over there.